class, before we proceed to our discussion, I will show a short video and let us sing the song.
I want you to learn this math song. We are going to sing this song before we start our lesson. Are you familiar with the song Are You Sleeping? Great! The song goes like this. Math, 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 math. Learning math is much fun, learning math is much fun. We like math, we like math. Now, can you sing along with me? Great!
M-A-T-H-M-A-T-H,
Math,
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 math.
math.
Learning
Learning
math
math
is
is
much
much
fun.
fun,
Learning
learning
math
math
is
is
much
much
fun.
fun.
We
We
like
like
math.
math,
We
we
like
like
math.
math.
Very good, class. All of you must enjoying the song. Give yourself a round of applause. Okay, class. Our topic for today is all about ratio, rate, and units rate. I will give a situation and let's find out and get the ratio. So here's the situation.
A school will conduct a talent show next week to celebrate Multiple Intelligence Week.
Let us see what these three students have to say.
Our Glee Club will be part of the show. We are 10 boys and 15 girls in the group. I am so excited about this, that's why we've been practicing for weeks now. Oh, me too. I'll take part in a dance number is paired with a girl. We are 18 pairs in all. And I will be the quiz master in the Math Wizards Quiz B. We have 6 competing teams and there are 3 members for every team. It will be so much fun.
Can you compare the number of boys to the number of girls in the Glee Club? What concept can you use to compare the two numbers? Why is this concept important? Now, let's find out. Let us compare the number of boys to the number of girls in the Glee Club. The number of boys is 10 and the number of girls are 15. So, the ratio of the boys to girls is 10 is to 15. But, this ratio can be written in several ways such as A. In words, for B. In colon, and for C. Is fraction. Ratio is a comparison of two quantities. The number 10 and number 15 are called terms. The order of comparison is important. Ratio can be a comparison of part with another part. The ratio of boys to girls is 10 is to 15. Now, let's simplify the ratio. 10 is to 15 is simplified as 2 is to 3. To get the 2 is to 3, let's divide the both terms into 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. And 15 divided by 5 is equals to 3. So the simplified ratio is 2 is to 3. And in fraction, it can be written in 2 is to 3. And now, let's proceed to unit rates. Rates are used by people every day, such as they work for 40 hours per week or earn interest every year at a bank. When rates are expressed as a quantity of 1, such as 2 feet per second or 5 miles per hour, they can be defined as a unit rate. You can write any rate as a unit rate by reducing the fraction so it has a 1 as the denominator or second term. For example, 120 students for every 3 buses is to 40 students per bus. You could also find the unit rate by dividing the first term of the ratio by the second term. So 120 is divided into 3 is equals to 40. And now, I want volunteers to solve the problem on the board. Anyone? Yes, Jenny. For number 2, yes, Gwen. And for the last, number 3, okay, Trisha. Okay, all the answers are correct. Very good, class. Okay, class. For all in all, ratio is a comparison of two quantities or a part to a total. Ratio can be written in 3 forms, such as word, column, and fraction forms. Ratio is a ratio that has different units. Unit rate has a 1 in any of the terms. Okay, class, what have you learned from our discussion today? Yes, Jenny. Very good. And what is the topic all about? Yes, Trisha. Very good. And for your activity, test 1, write the following as ratio having the same unit, then simplify. You may start answering now. Are you done? Very good. For test 2, write the following as rates in column form, then change them as unit rates. Are you done for test 2? Okay, very good. And for the last activity, let's evaluate. Write the following ratio in different forms. Then you have to simplify. Are you done? Okay, very good. And for your assignment, make at least 3 problems that you've experienced in real-life situation, then solve it and get the ratio and unit rates. Okay, class, that's all for today. Goodbye, class.